Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Market watchers take note. The coming days will showcase an economic calendar filled with impactful data. These reports could steer asset prices, influence investor sentiment, and create new trading patterns. Each data point provides a potential pivot for market direction. Make sure to stay informed and prepared for whatever the next few days may bring.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold fell nearly 1% after hitting a near 4-week high, pressured by a firmer dollar as investors grew cautious ahead of a potential call between US President Donald Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping. Oil prices climbed to a 2-week high as persistent geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine and the US and Iran looked set to keep sanctions on both OPEC Plus members, Russia and Iran, in place for longer. The ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF will undergo a 3-for-1 share split later this month, as the fund's issuer, 21 Shares, says it is looking to boost its appeal to retail investors. The stock split is slated for June the 16th and is designed to make shares more accessible to a broader range of investors.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.4%, following a 1.4% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.